Quick video on how to unblock an IP address in HostEasy. Open hosteasy.in, click Login, enter your username and password, log into your account. From the dashboard, click on More under New Orders. You can also navigate to the Orders menu and select My Invoices. Locate your hosting service, click on Manage Hosting, and then select Other Requests. From the dialog box that appears, click on IP Unblock. Enter the IP address you wish to unblock and click Submit. This is an automated process, and it may take up to 15 minutes for the IP to be unblocked. If required, you can cancel the request by clicking the Cancel button.